truth, girl. Who qualifies her to put a work on these people?
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Mickey Truth, aka the Queen of Paperwork, and I am back with another video. As always, all information contained in this video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. All information used in this video is per the Fair Use Act, and any conclusion that you draw is on you, not me. So let's get it. All right, y'all. So it's an Oblock Rico update, okay? Let me tell you, the FBG Duck murder case is like heating up. And like literally, from what the Chicago Sun-Times said, they are jamming like to songs, to lyrics, because as you may know, they allowed a lot of that into evidence. Let's get into it. So, according to the Chicago Sun-Times, this is the title. So the title tells y'all, okay, it says entertainment or evidence of a criminal enterprise. Drill rap takes center stage in FBG Duck murder trial. Okay. Now, King Von is finally mentioned on record. It states in the article, jurors were shown videos released by rapper King Von, who allegedly placed a bounty on FBG Duck and was later gunned down in another shooting in Atlanta. Okay, now a lot of things are about to tie in, so I hope y'all are ready. All right, let's get into it. So prosecutors have played a series of videos in an effort to prove that rapper FBG Duck was gunned down in the Gold Coast in August 2020 as part of a years-long gang war that was stoked by a series of diss tracks. They allege that members and associates of the Oblock faction of the Black Disciples targeted Duck, whose real name, Carlton Weekly, after he released a scathing song called Dead Bitches, who was played in open court. Like, they literally played the song in open court, okay? Now, if you don't know, less than a month after releasing this song, or releasing the video, might I say, on YouTube, he was ultimately gunned down. Rest in peace to FBG Duck, okay? Now, looming over the case is rapper King Von. This is according to the article. Real name Davon Bennett, who allegedly placed a bounty on Duck's head. He was never charged in the case and was killed, okay? In an apparently unrelated shooting in Atlanta. Rest in peace to King Von. When I say it's like coming full circle, all the allegations, all the speculations is starting to come. This is said in open court. Now, also it said jurors, and I will say I believe they have an error because they said Tuesday, but this is allegedly supposed to be what happened on Monday. Okay, so I did send a little email to Chicago Sun-Times just to make sure they know they're saying Tuesday, but nevertheless, let's stay on task. Okay, so the O was played in open court. Okay, and I'm not even gonna lie. If I was on that jury, I'd probably been tapping my foot because that beat definitely is nice. Okay, so it says jurors on Tuesday watched King Von video for Took Her to the O, an apparent reference to O-Block, which prosecutors say also refers to the Parkway Garden housing complex that served as a gang faction power base. The song was released just months before Duck was killed and allegedly served as a foreshadowing of his violent death. FBI agent Dominique Dixon said the song include references to both Duck and his late brother FBG Brick, rest in peace to Brick, and the video shows Vaughn fatally shooting a man who shares the same features as Duck. The reason why I say keep in mind of that, okay, is because of this. This FBI agent, Dominique Dixon, okay, is connecting lyrics to people, okay? Lyrics to people. Now, the song premiered on YouTube on February 1st, 2020, okay? So, again, first Took Her to the O, then Dead Bitches, then ultimately the murder. 2020 was crazy for sure. Okay. Now, so a government witness corroborating in exchange for a reduced sentence in a gun case testified Tuesday that one of the defendants, Kenneth Kenny Matt Robertson, told him he took part in a brazen shooting because Vaughn had placed a hit on Duck. Whoo! Don't that sound familiar? Well, if you are not familiar with the proffer that was issued by the government for this case, Cooperator 4 is who is outlined to be the person sending text messages back and forth. So Cooperator 4 has testified at court, at trial. Cooperator 4 has officially testified, okay? And if you don't recall, in the original investigation in the Chicago paperwork, if you recall, the August 17, 2020, where the FBI spoke to someone who caught a gun case. And you remember that they said it was Louis V, King Von's little brother. They're saying now is Zay Osama's brother. All types of people has been thrown into this. Well, what I can say as far as this video, Cooperator 4 is the person who the FBI spoke to on August 17, 2020. If you recall, on August 18, 2020 is when they actually had the official interview with Cooperator 4. All right. Now, tell you, now it made sense how they got the phone, because I was like, dang, how they get screened? Like, I'm like, well, maybe they told him to come in. Well, it's because he had to fully cooperate in order to get his time cut. Now, video, okay. Now, I will say in the article, it also says that they refer to the picture. This video has been played a lot of times, okay? I'm going to be honest. I've seen it a couple times myself, okay? So, in this video, they're saying that, hey, this even shows the payment of like the enterprise is, that video combat to definitely hunt them for sure, okay? Now, they also played some other people's songs in there, okay? They brought up Drake, okay? And I swear Soulja Boy popped in my head when I saw that they actually said Drake. They said Blink 182 and the rapper YG, okay? And it says that a musician handing out money is not unusual. So it's trying to show a pattern, all right? They got a lot going on. Now, they also played Muwop song and Low song, okay? So they basically had a music session going on in court, all right? Now, the question is, will Lil Durk be named in court? Well, according, okay, to this article, it says, meanwhile, the potential role of Von's mentor, Lil Durk, remains unclear. You may be wondering why the hell the article says that. Well, it says towards the end of the proceedings, the government witness said he believed Robeson had gained more ranking within the Black Disciples after the witness saw him hanging out with Durk's brother D-Thang, whose real name is Dante Banks, okay? Now, again, Turbin, who allegedly alerted the other defendants to Duck's location, had talked to someone on a phone number associated with D-Thang at the time of the shooting, prosecutors say. So, they starting to connect them dots at trial. Now, this is why I told you to keep in mind of the FBI agent Dixon, okay? It says in questioning Dixon about who FBI agents had in their sights during the investigation, Greenberg suggested that Durk wasn't important. And this is what Dixon said. Did I say he wasn't important? Ooh, I don't know. What does that mean? Y'all let me know what y'all think in the chat. I know this is a lot going on. Hey, let me know. And with that being said, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to pull up on your girl, Mickey Truth. No matter what you go through, do what you got to do and conquer the world.